So today's topic is clavicle. It is the first bone of the upper limb. It is the first bone of the upper limb and it is the only bone to be ossified. And it is the only bone which lies horizontally in the body. So first we discuss about peculiarities of clavicle, or we can say characteristics of clavicle. We have discussed two characteristics, which is the only bone to be ossified and the only bone to lie horizontally in the body. Okay, and it is the only long bone that lies horizontally and there is no medullary cavity. So now more talk about clavicle. First how we can determine the side. This is anterior, this is posterior, this is lateral and this is medial end. Lateral, it is lateral 1/3 and medial 2/3. It is lateral end and it is medial end. Lateral or acromial end, medial और sternal end. अब हमने acromial end और sternal end क्यों बोला है? Acromial because it articulates with the acromion process of scapula to form acromioclavicular joint. Please take with you a notebook and a pen to write down everything and to revise later. So what we have said, it articulates with the acromion process of scapula to form acromioclavicular joint. And next, it is sternal end. Why we are saying sternal end? Because it articulates with the clavicular notch of the sternum, or we can say manubrium sterni, to form sternoclavicular joint. Okay, to form sternoclavicular joint. We have talked about this. Now we will talk about lateral 1/3 part. Lateral 1/3 part, it has two border, anterior and posterior. Anterior and posterior. Anterior border is concave. This is superior surface. This is inferior surface. In superior surface, anterior border is concave and posterior border is convex. In inferior surface, anterior border is convex and posterior border is concave. Okay. Now we will talk about inferior surface. It has conoid tubercle and the trapezoid ridge. Okay, now we will talk about medial 2/3 part. It has four surfaces, which is anterior, posterior, superior and inferior. Anterior surface is convex. Anterior surface is convex and the posterior surface is concave. Inferior surface has rough oval impression at the medial end, and the superior surface is rough in its middle part. Okay, this is subclavian groove in the inferior surface, and it has conoid tubercle and trapezoid ridge which provide rough surface to clavicle. Now we will talk about muscles attachment to clavicle. Now we will talk about muscle attachment to clavicle. What are the muscles attached to clavicle? First of all, we will talk about superior surface. This is superior surface. In this part is medial 2/3 of anterior surface. We have talked about anterior. This is anterior surface. This is medial 2/3 part provide attachment to the clavicular head of pectoralis major, which is called the chest muscle. This provide attachment to pectoralis major. This is medial two-third. This is anterior portion which provides attachment to the pectoralis major. Now here, this is posterior part of superior surface, gives origin to the sternocleidomastoid muscle. This part, sternocleidomastoid muscle. Why we are saying sternocleidomastoid muscle? Sterno means sternum, cleidoi means clavicle, mastoid means it is inserted into the mastoid process. Now here, this is anterior part of lateral 1/3, which provides an origin of anterior fibers of deltoid muscles. This is anterior part of lateral 1/3, which originates deltoid fibers. This is posterior part of superior surface, which helps in the insertion of trapezius muscle. So we have whole talk about superior surface of clavicle. Now we will talk about inferior surface. Inferior surface. Here, this is medial two-third part of the inferior surface, which provides attachment to the costoclavicular ligament. First ligament, costoclavicular ligament. Costo means ribs, clavicle means clavicle, which provides attachment to the costoclavicular ligament. This part is middle part, which gives insertion to the subclavius muscle. This part, trapezoid ridge and conoid tubercle, which provides attachment to the coracoclavicular ligament. Okay, so we have whole talk about muscles attachment. Now we will revise whole of the clavicle. Muscles attachment. We have talked about all the muscles. This is clavicle, this is acromial end, this is sternal end, which provide to the which articulates with the acromion process of scapula to form acromial clavicular joint. It attaches to the sternum to form sternoclavicular joint. Here we have talked about in the anterior part of lateral 1/3 provides origin of deltoid fibers. Or muscles. In this part, this is pectoralis major in the medial 2/3 part of anterior surface. This is trapezius muscles in the posterior border of lateral 1/3 of superior surface. This is sternocleidomastoid muscles in the superior surface, which is inserted to the mastoid process now going upwards. So this is subclavius muscle, which is inserted into the middle part of in the inferior surface. So this here clavicle is completed. Hope you have written down all the points which I mentioned, and you will revise it for later. So if you like my video, if you really like my video, please subscribe my channel and like my video and comment. Thank you.